Welcome back. We have another useful idiom today. But before we start, I want to give you a disclaimer that this idiom, as well as most idioms, are honestly not that useful for beginning students. But don't let me tell you what to do. So today we'll be talking about the idiom 낫 놓고 기역자도 모른다. 낫 놓고 기역자도 모른다. So let's break up this idiom and figure out what it means. First we have 낫, which means a sickle or a scythe. If you're not sure what a scythe is, it's that sharp thingy that the Grim Reaper's always carrying around. But it's also just a regular gardening tool used for cutting grass and stuff. The next part is 놓고, which comes from the verb 놓다, meaning to put something down or to place something. After that we have 기역자도. Now 기역 is the name of this letter in Hangul. The 자 at the end just means letter. So together we get the letter 기역. The 도 at the end is just the regular particle, meaning also or even. And finally we have 모른다, which is conjugated from the verb 모르다, meaning to not know. So if we put everything together we get, even if you put down a scythe, you wouldn't know that it's the letter 기역. Now to understand this more easily, we need to take a look at a scythe again. Here's a scythe. If we put this down in the ground, it looks like this. Now you can see how it's in the shape of a 기역, and a Korean would recognize this even faster. Kind of like in English how everyone knows a hockey stick is shaped like an L or a donut is shaped like an O. And that's what this idiom is talking about. Even if someone puts a scythe down, you don't notice that it's in the shape of a 기역. So this idiom is used to mock someone who wouldn't even recognize something as simple as the shape of a scythe in the ground. We can therefore use this idiom when talking about someone who's just clueless, or someone who's so ignorant that they don't even know their own alphabet. Let's take a look at an example sentence. 교수님이신 우리 할아버지도 스마트폰에서는 낫 놓고 기역자도 모르신다. Even my grandfather, who's a professor, doesn't have a clue when it comes to smartphones. I want to say thanks to all my Patreon supporters for helping me to make this video. If you want to help support this channel, check out my Patreon page in the description. And remember that new videos are uploaded here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!